Hi everyone, I am Shahan. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will tell you about rickets. Now what is rickets? Basically you can see the picture first, how the bowing of the legs of this girl has occurred. Now why this bowing has occurred? Basically this is occurring because of rickets. Now I will tell you 10 clinical signs which are very important in this regard in this video. So watch the video continuously, because this channel is going to help you in your NEETPG, FMGE and next examination. So please subscribe and keep watching our video. Now what are the 10 important clinical features that we can find in rickets? So we will start from the head, then we will go to the toe. Okay, now first one is the delayed closure of fontanelle. You know fontanelle. What is fontanelle? Fontanelle are the space between the flat cranial bones. So between the flat cranial bones there is fontanelle, that is space, and this space generally closes when we become adult. But here you can see delayed closure of fontanelle. That means the fontanelle is remaining opened. Next is frontal bossing. Now what is frontal bossing? Frontal bossing is nothing but the protruding of the frontal bone. Protruding of the frontal bone forward, that is known as frontal bossing. Next is dental hypoplasia. Now what is dental hypoplasia? You know hyperplasia means increase in the number of cell. Now hypoplasia, what is hypoplasia? Hypoplasia means decrease in the number. So you can say dental hypoplasia, that is decrease in the number of the dental tissue, that is known as dental hypoplasia. So these you can find in the bones of the skull. And another thing you can find is the craniotabes. Now what is craniotabes? Very important. Now whatever I am discussing is very important. All these will come in NEETPG, FMG and other examination, next examination. So if you are preparing, please subscribe this channel. What is craniotabes? Craniotabes is actually very important. Cranio means the skull bones, right? The skull. Cranio is a skull, and tabes means softening. So it is actually softening of the skull bone. That is known as craniotabes. Next is wide suture. You know suture lines that are there in the skull bones. These becomes wide, very wide. So that is known as wide suture. These you have to focus. Like delayed closure of fontanelle. The fontanelle is open. The suture is wide. Frontal bossing. That means the frontal bone is bossing forward, it is coming forward. So frontal bossing. Craniotabes, that is softening of the skull bones. And dental hypoplasia, all these you can find in the head. Now let us come to the chest region. In the chest region you can find pectus carinatum. What is the meaning of this term, pectus carinatum? Pectus is actually the sternum, and the carinatum actually means the formation of a ridge-like structure. Yes, formation of a ridge-like structure. You know pectus cavernatum. Cavernatum is actually a cave-like structure. That means it is going inside. But here we find carinatum. Remember, here we find carinatum. You can remember the famous YouTuber Carrie Minati. Carinatum means actually the increase in outside. Okay, outside you can find out there is the ridge-like structure in the outside. So that is known as the pectus carinatum. Next is rachitic rosary. What is rachitic rosary? Rachitic rosary is actually the small rounded structure in the junction of the costochondral region. So junction of the costochondral region you can find out small balls like structure. These are actually the tissues, and you can find out that is known as rachitic rosary. And very important is the Harrison sulcus. What is Harrison sulcus? Harrison sulcus is actually there is a sulcus that can be found just below the sternal bone, and that is known as the Harrison's sulcus. All these are important points. Like whenever they give you a case of the rickets, they will tell you about the Harrison sulcus, rachitic rosary, and other pectus carinatum in the chest. So these three are very important in the chest region. And when you come down, we actually find out bowing of the legs. The legs become bowed. I already showed you the picture, original picture, how the bowing of the legs looks like. Here you can find out in this way this bowing occurs, and you can find out swelling in the wrist and the ankle joints. The wrist and the ankle joint has swelling, very important. So these are the 10 important clinical features in rickets. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, make a thumbs up and please subscribe this channel and write down in the comment section below. Thank you so much. We have so many videos in our channel. All are free completely for helping MBBS students, BDS students, nursing students, pharma students and physiotherapy students. So if you are related with any kind of healthcare system, please subscribe this channel and you will have a great knowledge from this channel. I have made English as a language for this channel because you can in the whole India, actually from the southern part also, so many people cannot understand Hindi, so they can easily understand English. So I have made it in English, and other countries also, so many people from other countries like Philippines and other countries, they actually sees the videos, so they can understand, so that they can easily understand it. I have made it in English. So please subscribe this channel and please share this channel with your friends so that other medicos can join this channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.